Guanajuato City feels like one of the happiest places on the planet. Nationals go to cradle of Mexican independence to pay respect to their forefathers and celebrate all night. The city is one of the country's best kept secrets because it attracts few international visitors. Colorful houses and stately colonial buildings are built into the mountains and connected by winding stairwells, tunnels and alleyways with few vehicles to be seen. Ambling downhill you reach the heart of the old city, founded in 1554 and the boulevard wide enough for architects to spread their wings. Guanajuato's mines produced 2/3 of the world's silver between the 16th and the 19th century, and the Spanish colonists spared no expense on their pride city. It is on the UNESCO World Heritage List because of its historic cathedrals, beautiful theaters, and metropolis-like mines, while the University of Guanajuato and the Festival International Cervantino of the Arts keep it young and energetic. Mariachi musicians serenade the plazas, street vendors sizzle with tacos, centuries-old architecture sparkles with lights, and everyone is having fun well past their bedtime. While you're enjoying these awesome drone shots, don't forget to like and subscribe and ring the bell. We are posting videos like this twice a week and we would hate for you to miss it. Begin your tour to El Pipila Monument, which offers amazing panoramic views of the city as well as glimpse into Guanajuato's role in the Mexican Revolution. Guanajuato was one of the first major Spanish cities to be recovered by the people in 1810, thanks in part to the heroic young miner Juan José de los Reyes Martinez, who ran into a hail of Spanish gunfire with just a rock on his back for protection to light their fortress on fire. Take the funicular to the top of the mountain for a view of Guanajuato's stunning landscape, then return on foot through the city's winding alleyways for a taste of local life and amazing street art. The university is a must-see in Guanajuato, not just because of its Instagram famous steps, but also because of its astronomical observatory on the roof. It is open every afternoon for a 40-meter high journey across the celestial vault and views of the city. Another fantastic view may be obtained by using the funicular or from the viewpoint of the monument of the Pipila, as we stated earlier. Guanajuato's alleys, such as the Callejon del Beso, is another opportunity to get to know the city. According to mythology, lovers must kiss on their first step in order to be happy for 7 years. This maze of small lines shines golden yellow at night, giving the city a bohemian vibe. When the estudiantinas gather at the Juarez Theater to serenade the locals, this becomes even more apparent. Tourists from all over the world come to enjoy and participate in the musical tour, exploring the Calle Subterranea, a network of tunnels that cross beneath the historical center, is on the long list of things to do in Guanajuato. It was formerly a riverbed, but it is now completely piped. It stretches through 8 kilometers and connects some of the city's most notable landmarks, including the Plaza de las Ranas and the Basilica. In the Union Garden, one of the most beautiful parks due to its shape like a piece of cake, you must sit down for a coffee or enjoy a guacamaya, a roll stuffed with dried pork rinds, avocado and salsa. You should also make a visit to the Hidalgo market to see directly the exceptional skills of its artists specialized in ceramics and silver.